Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the gallery with a piece of one of these that my friend brought me, Carol, from the dollar store, which is pretty heavy, and I'm going to try it as a swipe card for the first time. And I'm going to do just whatever I feel like doing, and I'm going to do it using my swipe with some Amsterdam black in the center around some Anita's white metallic. And I've been trying to break my habit of the... I see that. Looks like a dog here, but it's only a scratch. So I've been trying to break my habit of going down the center, so I think what I'm going to do is let all of that fall to one side. And there's quite a few bubbles in there, so I should probably contemplate torching. Just because I can. I just mixed that up. So that ought to be enough for a start. And then I have some black onyx from Decor Americana that I want to put on the outside. I have some purple that I need to use up. I want some of my Venetian blue. And I have saved my Mysterious from Art Minds for such a long time that I feel like I ought to be allowed to use it. Actually, finally. I've got some more Venetian blue, only it's added to Anita's white metallic. I think I'm just going to keep following my instincts, and my instincts tell me to... They tell me I wish I'd opened that gold, but you know what? I have another container of gold that needs to be used up, and I already stirred it anyway. I believe that this is Decor Americana 24 karat gold, but the truth is it came out of a bottle I can't remember. It was just gold, and it could have been a mixture of things when I was desperate and had run out, and could be anything. So now I'm just going to keep filling in with colors I like. And this is my Folk Art Neon Purple. Oh, and it's plugged too. Wow. Hopefully that wasn't anything important. Alright, I've got it open enough. You know, I could swipe everything that way. That might be kind of cool. Starting way over here and moving that way. And if I put my swipe color down on top of the Anita's, it's got 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it, as well as the usual recipe of Floetrol and GAC 800. Where was I? Do I want to do that yet? I don't. What do I want to do? Good question. I think a little bit more of that black right along this edge. And think about it for a minute. I can't quite get past the idea that I want to use some of my hot orchid, but it's a little distressing because I'm afraid that all that other paint is going to pull right over it and swallow it whole. So I guess we'll see. Now I could do this swipe with Floetrol. I could do it with Meeden black paint. I could do it with all kinds of things. But I want to try it with this first. I think I'm going to put another layer of Anita's white metallic over here. And since I have my gold to move up, to use up, I might as well put that there too. And if I put some more of that black on this side, then if I decide to go from either direction, I can do that. I suspect I will want a scrape dish, but I'm not sure. I really want to use that card. Even if I don't continue by using that card, I'm going to use it at least once. Well, that's interesting. The hot orchid refused to budge, basically. And I'm going to use my residuals. Look at those cells though, wow. So that's confusing. It's not doing anything that I wanted it to do. So I'm just going to go wherever I want. I think I prefer my other card, to tell you the truth. But I will make something of it. Because that's just my MO. I wasn't expecting to do a geometric, but guess what? I've got all kinds of paint, and I'm going to use it right here. Whoa, and I'm dripping. All kinds of paint that I don't really want on my fingers either. Well, it's not a bad geometric, it's just not what I expected. I want to scrape. I want to use my scrape dish to scrape the paint off. It'd be even better if I had a spatula. You see how clean you can make that. And all the colors that are beautiful that you can save. Not that I need them right now. I'm tempted to take a straw . And expose some of those colors under there. It's a because I can moment. Kind of need to scrape that end off, and that one too. Well, I think it might be time for a smaller swipe card, honestly. At least the black didn't swallow everything. It's becoming very plaid. That one's not making me happy. Unexpected. Unexpected geometric. Which I really just want to put some Amsterdam black in and make blooms out of. I don't mind the colors. The colors are kind of okay. So, rogue video, not all what I expected. And I've got that big tail where I dribbled my paint. which I don't care for usually, but anything accidental that incites innovation is not a bad thing, in my opinion, basically. I haven't torched. I am just playing. Which is kind of neat. Hoping I don't mess anything up that's cool. And it was kind of cool for a while. I kind of want some gold someplace I don't have it. But I don't know what that gold is going to look like either. And I never did clear my tip. Let me think about this for a minute. Clear my tip. I could do all kinds of stuff to this now because messing it up is sort of permission. That I was surprised that the hot orchid didn't move. Maybe it needs some more water added to it. It tends to thicken up. I want to be radical now. It's not necessarily a good thing. We're definitely getting some interesting patterns popping through. I'm just sort of mellowing the line a little. The hot orchid tends to bleed into everything close by. These are interesting. I might as well torch, really and truly. Let me grab a little more hot orchid in a slightly different configuration. Sorry, I don't know if you can see me or not. I really, really just want to blow into this so badly. I'm going to do it. No clue how far I'm going to let this go. I like exposing the colors. been a long time since I did something where I blew into it a lot. I think I want to bring that all the way down there. Unexpected and surprising. And fun. Lots of fun. I like what the gold does. If we run out of time, I apologize, but I'm just having too much fun to stop, and I don't edit my videos. So, we could. These cells over here are tremendous. The little bloomy things in the gold line are pretty cool too. I'm getting someplace that I like. Yeah, I knew that was coming. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I want, which is usually thank you for being here, and I have over 92,000 subscribers, going on 92,300. Yay, thank you. If you're new, please be welcome. If you're not new, thank you for being here still. I want to take any old color and try it with my new blooming toy. And I will take what I get and be happy about it. I think. I have some golden hour from Arteza that I really like, which is a pearlescent butter yellow. But I think I'm getting pretty close to being done too. I say that, you can't trust me. So there's over 1,800 videos on my playlists, soon to be 1,900. They're not all accessible because I schedule in advance. Somebody's going to think this looks like something, and I can't wait to find out what you think it looks like, but I don't know. Come out. It was just open. Alright, so there's an exhibition video on the end screen of every video, and if you like what I do and you want to help support the studio by contributing through PayPal or Patreon, you can see what the monthly prizes are offered on that exhibition video. It comes up in the last 20 seconds. I want blue right there. And probably right here too. And I might as well blow it out. I think it needs black, to tell you the truth. But not a whole lot of it, just some. But there aren't any straight lines in here, so that's kind of weird.